crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs, and thanks so much for stopping by today. And today we are having Christmas in May. I have for you an unboxing video of the new Simple Stories Christmas mystery box. So that's very exciting. I did also pick up the exclusive mystery box, but this will be in a different video. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can see when this is published. You can check that one out too. Alright, the Simple Stories Christmas Mystery Box is sold in a few different places, and I will have that listed in the description box and over on my blog at egidesigns.com. And I will also put a QR code up top for those of you watching on television, so you have access to those supply list as well. This video today will be a what I call a speed run unboxing. So I'll show the packaging, we can go through it, and if you would like me to do what I call a deeper dive video, which is where I open up the packages and show you what's inside, if there's multiple things in there, and we can go through that, be sure to put down in the comments if you want me to do that deeper dive video, and I'd be happy to do that for you. Alright, let's check this out. So I'm gonna use my scissors here. And you guys love the 49 and Market unboxing last year, so I wanted to do something similar, and this really sparked my interest, especially having it be Christmas stuff, because then I can use that you know, for all of my projects upcoming, which is pretty awesome. Now let's, oh my goodness. Okay, alright. Yeah, I don't think there's enough room for me to fit this all on here. Alright, we'll turn this sideways so the lid won't get in the way of the camera there. Holy cow. Okay, so this box is $59.99 and it is valued at over $200 in product. So just a quick looking at it, definitely a good value for the price. So like, this thing is stuffed with stuff. Alright, so first up we have the page pieces from the Boho Christmas. This is 22 pieces, and it looks like you get Santa and poinsettia, trees. So these are just like paper ephemera kind of things. These would be good for scrapbook layout, if you're decorating a card front, that kind of a thing. This is similar. This is page pieces from Silent Night, and this one has a manger scene, the reason for the season, good tidings, a lot of stars. So that's really cute. This would be a really nice layout. Alright, so let's see. Then we have more page pieces. This is the Snow Pine Lodge. Look at this. You could do like a really awesome like 5x7 card with this, or scrapbook layout. Oh, and these are really fun and cute. I love the color on this, like the teal with the pink. So cute. Oh, a stamp set. I don't know if I was like really expecting that. These are from Santa's Village. So we have a couple of sentiments, a tree, poinsettia. Looks like this could be like a ice snowball maybe. That's super cute. And it's kind of sketchy, so that's really fun. Alright, let's see. Sticker book. Simple Vintage Yuletide. Looks like it has 12 pages. I feel like we have to take a little peek. Alright, let's see. This is very traditional. Simple Vintage Yuletide. Oh wow. Oh, this would be so cute. You did like a collage card front. These are nice too, because they're paper, but they're stickers. I love all this vintage. Oh, and you have some borders, some sentiments, letters. That's really sweet. You could use these on cards. So fun. Another sticker book. This one's very like a modern Christmas. Oh, this must go with the... See? So you do get things in here even that match, which is really fun. They're all not random. So this is the Santa's Village stickers, which matches with the stamp set. Oh, it looks like there's other things too. This goes with it as well. We have the page pieces. Cute little barn house. I love that bunting. That's really fun. Ooh, and we got rub-ons. I love this like kind of modern funky look here. Awesome. Oh, here's another part of that Santa's Village. These are frames. So that's what they look like. These would be great for scrapbook layouts. You could do this little one on the card. Alright, let's see. Ooh! I was very interested in this set. The Say Cheese Classic Mouse Christmas 24 papers. Alright, so check this out. So cute! I love that vintage. Mickey and Minnie, you got the Steamboat Willie. That's so fun. He has a Santa hat on while he's driving the steamboat. Oh, this is so fun. This is such a fun little set. Cool. Alright, and then we have the Snow Pine Lodge rub-ons. See the little camper. Again, with the, you know, the pink and the teals. I love that. That's so cute. Let's see. Ooh, these are really big. These are foam stickers from Boho Christmas. So if you put one of these on the front of your card, you would be pretty much done. These are really nice. These are really big. So cool. Alright, then we have some chipboard stickers of the Boho Christmas. So this goes with this. These are just the chipboard, so they're a little bit thinner. But they're so big that I can't fit it all on the camera. Sorry. I think this is like a 6x12. Oh, now back to the Santa's Village. These are the chipboard stickers for the Santa's Village. That's such a cute thing. Alright, let's see. These are the big bits from Simple Vintage Yuletide. I'll show you what it looks like. So these would be great for collaging on backgrounds. There is so much in here. I can't even... This is a lot. Well worth the value. Oh my goodness. Alright, Snow Pine Lodge sentiment bits. So these are like little pieces that have sentiments on them. They're really cute. Alright, let's see what else. These are North Pole bits from Santa's Village. So again, with the matching with that. I love the collections that match because the color is all the same, the vibe is still the same. It's like so great. Alright, these are the journal bits from the Snow Pine Lodge. Got a lot of the collage pieces. So if you could layer these up together to do your scrapbooking or card making. Oh, and then we have another thing. Sign bits from the Snow Pine Lodge. So these are even more little collagey kind of things. Alright, Simple Vintage Yuletide paper pad. So this is very vintagey looking. super cute. Oh, hooray, hooray! We have the paper pad that goes with all that Snow Pine Lodge. Look at all these. It's so fun. I like the sweater pattern. That's really cute. Oh, I like this key paper. I really want to do for my May 2026 sheetload of cards set. I really wanted to do a Christmas one, so I'm trying to look through these and see what I can put together. There's a lot of great choices between this collection and the Santa's Village. So here we have the bits and pieces. So cute. This is like the never-ending box here. We have Santa's Village Floral Bits. Again, that kind of sketchy look. A lot of poinsettias and holly. Layered chipboard boho Christmas. Oh, these are great. I don't know if you can see, but there's a whole bunch of layers stacked up for each one, so it gives a very dimensional look to that. We have boho Christmas number bits. You could kind of do an Advent thing if you want, or December. Alright, journal bits from Santa's Village. A lot of like tags and things like that. We have sentiment bits from Santa's Village. These are great. A lot of words and different sentiments. May your days be merry and bright. We have the Simple Vintage Yuletide Floral Bits. So that's more of that vintage look with the poinsettias. This is the sentiment bits from the Simple Vintage Yuletide. Again, the vintagey, so these go together. That's what that looks like. I love the font. Alright, then we have 3 washi tapes. This one, the label squinched down. Trying to find out what it is. This is a Simple Vintage Holly Jolly. Look at that. I love the ornaments on there. And then this is the Simple Vintage Yuletide. With that more of like the vintage with the plaid. And then we have the Santa's Village. So that's cool. I love everything coordinating. Alright, now we get to have some big papers. I think these are all different. Oh boy. I will have to open these just a little bit so we can see what's going on here. We have a sticker sheet. So these are all the papers and sticker sheets that go along with the different collections that come in here. We even have a Say Cheese Classic Mouse. That's the one. Oh, look at these colors. I love that. The Snow Pine Lodge. Another sticker sheet. Oh, that matches with the other one in the beginning. We got some cut aparts. Another sticker sheet. So yeah, I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say that this is quite an excellent value for the money. Yep, so again, I will, if I can actually find any of these individually, I will try to do that as well and put those in the description box for you as well. So if if you really liked this Snow Pine Lodge collection, maybe I can find a link for you for that. All right. If you enjoyed the unboxing today, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing to my channel. And I have up next for you, I have my unboxing playlist. So any of the unboxings I've done, I do a lot of simple stories unboxings for those collections, and you can see those there. And I'll also put for you my card making playlist. So if you're looking for any card inspiration with any of these, it will be there as well. And if you would like me to go through and do a deeper dive on these with opening the packages and all of that, let me know in the comments and I would be happy to do that for you. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.